Gracie needs her duct tape.
Why did you already have that out?
Shoot, I was just hoping I'd get to duct tape Gracie today.
Yeah.
Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I have my dear sisters with me.
Hello.
And we're
Go check out my channel.
follow my fitness
Shameless
account.
self-promo.
From both of these fools. Okay. So today we're doing the blind, deaf, and mute challenge. And what are we making, ladies?
Snickerdoodle.
She can't hear me, but we're making snickerdoodles. I don't know if you can tell yet who's who, but this one's deaf. This one's gonna be blind. And I'm gonna be mute. And, of course, I've got duct tape. Because I don't know how to shut up, like, manually. First things first, we've got to get in proper attire. Now that we're all in uniform, just got the Pillsbury Doughboy, let's get all our ingredients together. I know.
Reagan, you have to talk. I have to talk, okay? Hey guys! What's up?
Can you take
Tell
them off for a
me
sec?
about the
What?
cookies.
Take them off for a sec. Alright, we've got all our ingredients laid out now. Now, Aaron's favorite part of the video.
Okay. Alright, we're starting. What do we need to do first? We didn't get out measuring cups. Okay, Ray, you're gonna have to talk for Gracie. If I can't see something. I need to talk. Okay, let's see. We need 1 cup of butter. How much is 1 cup? What? Okay,
How much?
we're gonna take this and we're gonna see which 1 cup is the whole. Wait, read it. Is one whole thing 1 cup? Read it better. You're trying to talk to me as if I know what you're saying. Read it. Read it. I'm trying.
What's it say?
2 sticks is 1 cup. Open it. So we put it in that. Okay. Where? Right here? That's the bowl, yeah. Alright. Okay, 1/4 cup of sugar. Do we have the sugar?
Is it
Oh,
out
the
yet?
sugar's already out, okay. 1 cup. Okay. So we put it in this bowl? In that bowl? Okay. This bowl is open it. Here, hold that. Okay, dump that in the bowl. Okay. Now hold this one. Okay, pour that in. Okay, okay. Aaron, you're gonna need to hold this bowl, that thing, and pour it inside the bowl right here, making noises with that thing. I am at least. Okay. Oh, okay. Now we need 1/4 cup of brown sugar.
just messing with you. Oh, gosh. Oh, let's just take it out of this little container thing. Oh, that is loud.
I went mute too, even though I didn't.
Are you asking any questions or something? Oh, okay.
What now?
Alright. Now we need 2 eggs.
Not me.
Mm-hmm.
Are you cheating?
Extra calcium.
Where's the trash? One half teaspoon of vanilla. I don't know why it sounded like that.
Okay. Where's the thing? The whole thing?
I'm trying to adjust this so much. It hurts.
Not the whole thing.
Okay, we need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So this.
What is this?
That's 1 teaspoon.
Okay, half.
Okay.
Tell me when to stop. Right close to the face.
You need more. More.
Do I get it in there?
More. That's good.
Oh, where's the bowl?
Okay, now we need 2 3/4 of all-purpose flour. Wait, no, this is 2 3/4 all-purpose flour. Mom, can I press ignore limit? No response. I'm just gonna press
She
it.
said yeah.
Oh, okay.
4. What next?
Let's see. So now we need to do 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
One.
Okay, that's 1.
2.
That's 2. Alright, now we need 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. Where's the, okay. Oh, you're just gonna use that one. Okay, so. Here's the salt. Pour and I'll let you know when.
It's a shaker. Is it coming in there?
That's good. Okay, we need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. My hair so bad. Oh my gosh!
One.
Yeah, 1.
Is that right?
Is
that too much?
Yes, overflowed. mixy thingy. So, alright, chat, we're gonna get the mixy thingy. And we're gonna carefully take it over. Maybe singing people should let do it. Close. Okay. Did you plug it in? So we need this thing. Oh, right. Should have plugged it in first. So, lock it in, and then we turn it on. We let it mix for I don't know how long until it's done. Alexa, try to do the cooking by the book. Alexa, try to do the cooking by the book. Alexa, play Descendants soundtrack. Try to do the cooking by the book. Alexa, play Gotta Do the Cooking by the book. Your sisters are dancing. I can tell. Okay. She is listening to Descendants. She needs you, Reagan. Oh, we need like cookie sheet stuff? Mm-hmm. This stuff? Okay. Hey, we need to put the stuff on the sheet thing and roll it into little balls and lay it. Oh, and roll it in the sugar cinnamon mix stuff. Okay, your feet. You need to create it. Oh, that's kind of small. Let me. There's cookies everywhere. I think we're out of sugar. Maybe not. Oh, that's the counter. Right here is the thing. We need to stop. We need to stop apparently. And put this.
Alright, friends. You wanna come with me to tell Granny I made cookies? Granny, guess what? Guess what's in the oven? We're about to be in the oven when it's done preheating.
Snickerdoodles?
Yeah.
Oh, my.
Yeah.
Good job.
All three of us made them.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's what all that bumping was, huh?
Yeah, but we did a challenge. I was mute, and Reagan was deaf, and Aaron was blind.
Oh, my. Don't tell them how they'll turn out.
I think they'll be good. I'm confident.
I'm sure they will.
Here's our finished product. It's kind of a mega cookie, but separate it. I think it looks beautiful. We ate way too much cookie dough, and so Erin and I are about to make ourselves sick if we eat a whole cookie. Reagan is unfazed though, so she gets her own whole cookie.
I'm gonna be phased tomorrow.
Girl, wait for us. Let's see if we did any good. Cheers.
It's so amazing. Oh, I've never had a finished chicken dinner in my life.
The dramatics. I say we did pretty good considering.
It's
Good job, girls.
7 out of 10. It's no crumble cookie.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this hot mess, subscribe for more hot messes. Have a great day.
Me too.
Love y'all. Bye. If you do the cooking by the book. I don't know the rest of the words. Isn't that a song from Lazy Town?
I don't know what that is.
The pink-haired girl. Oh my gosh, Mom, she doesn't know what Lazy Town is.
Mom don't either.
The cartoon with the pink-haired girl and the guy with the mustache.
Well, I know what you're talking about. But did y'all even watch it?
I did. Did you watch it?
I mean, while you were still at home.
Miss Girl, I watched it when it was airing 20 years ago.
This song sounds familiar, but I just don't know what you're talking about.
You probably just heard it on TikTok, you youngster. Don't know nothing about my culture.
You can tape your mouth.
That's crazy.
Did y'all get that on the video?
Yes.
Good.